how to get your Snap score up. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually get your Snap score up. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Before we try to get our Snap score up, you have to understand what Snap score is in the first place. So I will just go ahead and then open up Snapchat. Once I open Snapchat, I will tap on my profile icon to come to my profile page. This number right next to this little icon is basically my Snap score. So if I tap on it, and it shows you what the Snap score really is. Your Snap score increases with each snap you send and receive. So it doesn't mean you have to interact with each other repeatedly. It means that the number of snaps you sent versus the number of snaps you receive, they are also going to be counted as your Snap score. So the best way to increase Snap score is to simply select as many people as you can whenever you're trying to send a snap. It doesn't really mean that you have to know them, but this is the best way and there is really no other solution. When you send many snaps at once and when you receive many snaps at once, just like that, your Snap score is going to get increased. So I'll just show you how you can do that as well. First of all, I would recommend you to come over here, and once you do that, you can see the Add Friends button. So tap on Add Friends and you can see all the friends who have sent you a friend request versus all the friends in the Quick Add section. I would recommend you to simply add all of these people as you want. So just go ahead and select all the Add button over here, and when they add you back in with Chin, and when you send and receive and exchange snaps within each other, your Snap score is going to get increased automatically. So for a moment, I have already done this process before. I've added more than 50 or 100 friends. So let's say that I want to actually send a snap to all of these people. I'll just select a random snap over here just to show you guys, and I'll tap on the next button. And as you can see, a list of people over here. So what you want to do is you want to select all of the people on this list. The downside over here is that there isn't really the option to create and send all snaps at once. So you just have to go ahead and then select all of these people manually. Once you select all these people manually, what you can do is you just need to tap on the little DMs icon at the bottom right corner in order to send them snaps. And the number of snaps you send is also going to be counted as your Snap score. So you just have to keep that in mind. And this is how you can get your Snap score up in a really fun and easy way. Hopefully this video helped you in either way, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.